Hi everyone, welcome to my channel if this is your first visit. My name is John Odiamo. Now, a little bit of a background on how this project came to be. After completing my do-it-yourself CNC router build, I now needed to have the control computer at a closer proximity to the machine. I went ahead and created the 3D models of the stand as shown. It could have been a much simpler design, but this was also my chance to test out the machine. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and did not forget to subscribe and like the video. Also make sure you watch the Do-It-Yourself Router Building video series. I have added the links to the comment section below. Thanks. The parts are constructed from 3/4 inch ply sheet. One should articulate at least 120 degrees on the horizontal plane. The angled arm should also articulate at least 120 degrees on the horizontal plane. The laptop table should be able to nose up and down on the vertical as shown. Finally, the table should be able to rotate about its own axis on the horizontal plane. The articulating joints are hinged together using a 1/2-13 bolts and nuts. A 48 by 48 3/4 inch ply sheet was used to cut out all the pieces within one setup as illustrated by the simulation. A 1/4 flat bit was used for the profile cuts. 30 thousandths, which is approximately 1 mm material, was left to hold the parts in place. An oscillating Dremel tool was later used to cut free the parts. thousandths or approximately 1 millimeter material was left. I used an oscillating tool to release the parts. The parts were then set down and deburred to prepare for assembly. After gluing and clamping the subcomponents together, the subassemblies were ready for mounting. Screws will be later added to the glued subassemblies. The range of motion is workable. I also immediately noticed that I will need to widen the mounting base to dampen the up and down bouncing of the construct. But overall, I'm happy with the project and can't wait to use it. Stay tuned for the next projects on my CNC router. Thanks.